Would you believe that you can earn $30 every 10 minutes by copy and paste? In this method, you can earn money online worldwide without having any previous knowledge. Before we begin, if you like this type of videos and would you like to see more make money online type of videos, make sure you subscribe to our channels, smash the like buttons and click the bell icon so you will get notified when we release a new video. We start with one of this website is called Fiverr. Don't worry guys, there's a 10 other website other than Fiverr I put together. You can get that information in the end of the video. So we're gonna use Fiverr as an example. Here that you can see these people offering service about writing blog post articles with the SEO optimized, which means when you post this article on your website, you will rank on Google. Don't worry, you don't even have to write anything. So these people offer service that you can see they charge $30, $45 and $84, $150 and over guys. Different word of articles, for example longer form of articles, they charge lots more money. Now I'm going to show you in a website, a software, an AI will do everything for you. You just copy and paste it guys. This is one of the gig. The second one that you can see here, these people make money by writing YouTube script. Yes, so you can offer your service to write a YouTube script. So you can write a script in any topic, or you can make a listicle videos like top 10 100 houses, top 10 football team, something like that. So whenever the customer gives information, you write about that and you get paid. For example, you see this person charge $5 for 5 minutes worth of articles and $10 for 10 minutes worth of articles. All you have to do is this customer provide the information they want, you plug that information to this AI and AI will do the rest of them for you guys. You just copy and paste everything. Other type of service are Amazon product description writing service that you can see people are hiring people on Fiverr to write Amazon product description. They give the product details, you plug that in, it will automatically write that for you guys. Now I'm going to show you the tools which going to do everything for you. All you have to do is plug this information and you will make money every single day without doing any work. All you have to do is copy and paste. This AI is called Jarvis.ai. I have a business plan with them. There's a 3 different type of plan. If you are beginners, I urge you to go with 5-day free trials. There's a link in the description. After that, if you want, you can upgrade it to the starter version. You will allow all the tools inside it, but you need to if you want more words, you need to buy that. But if you go with either of these plans, these words are unlimited, which means you can generate unlimited articles, blog posts, YouTube script and Amazon product review and other things unlimited times without paying extra money guys. Now without any ado, I'm going to show you the tools and how you can make money from it. All you have to do is click the link in the description, get the 5-day free trial and log into your account. After you log into your account, this is your dashboard gonna look like. For example that you can see, this is a long form assistant, which means it will write in a blog post for you. All you have to do is give all the information. At the same time, it will also help you to generate a blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, blog post intro paragraph and blog post conclusion. So when the customer give information about what the blog post is about, what you have to do, plug that into here, outline, it will create an outline for you. Then you can use that outline to generate the intro paragraph for you, and then use this long form assistant to generate an article for you. Then you use the blog post conclusion to finish the article for you. Very simple guys. Now on here that you can see, you can use this for Facebook advertisement, generate a headline and description. Same thing with Google advertisement, where you can use it to generate ad headline and description. Here the important part is about Amazon product description. So if you click open that, it will ask you what this product name about. So we can give iPhone, Apple, iPhone or something like that, right? You need to give a key benefits which already they give you about those product. So you can try about, so for example, you can say good camera, and you can say long battery life, something like that, right? So after that, what you have to do, click in this output, click 4 or 5 outputs, which means it will generate 4 or 5 different version of the description, and within couple of seconds your description is ready. That you can see here, this is the description. Read through it and make sure if this sentence makes sense, then copy and paste to your customer. Now I'm going with some example here. The customer will provide the product name and all the benefits. All you have to do is plug that in here, it will automatically generate description for you guys. So this is an amazing way to make money without doing any works. You have to do is copy and paste, guys. Before we continue, guys, if you're really interested in these videos, smash the like button so other people can learn from this video and they can make money online. Now we go with other section called YouTube script. That you can see, if you don't have any idea what YouTube video you want to make, you give keywords to this section is called video topic idea. It will generate video idea for you. Then you use the video idea for video script outline. Then you can use that for video title, description, everything, guys. So for example, if you want to generate a script outline, so after script is generated, you go back to top of this page and use this long form assistant to make entire script, but you need to have some outline. So for example, if you want, click this one called video script outline. Here you can see, select, you can type top 10 richest people in the world, right? And you're gonna select tone of voice, friendly, witty, professional, up to you guys, and click generate content, and it will generate outline for your YouTube video. That you can see 1 to 10. Jeff Bezos to Bernard Arnault and other people. That you can see, you just copy this and go back to your dashboard template and click long form assistant, put it on that, and it will automatically generate a script for you guys. And final thing is here that you can see, if you are generating a blog post, also you can use this section to optimize, which means whenever people search for on a Google, the article that you generate will be appear in the search engine. So you can use blog post title and meta description and use this to optimize the blog post that you are generated and give them to the people here, and then you can charge a little bit more money for that service, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand this video. All you have to do is you need to have this amazing tool, is called Jarvis.ai, and it will do everything for you guys. You can use it for your own purposes and you can create your own business, or you can use for freelancing service and you can make money from it. You can use this to make a story and you can use for other purposes. And again, guys, this tool is speed up your work every single day, so you don't have to spend hours and hours research by your own and writing by your own, guys. I hope, guys, you understand this video. If you want to support this channel, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, like this video, leave me a comment what you want to see in the future videos. Also, there's a link in the description for this tool's 5-day free trial. Get that tool, and I believe you can make money every single day like this one, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.